Oh, okay. I didn't say okay. Guys, if you guys didn't wonder why I do not upload every single video, because I'm not a pro YouTuber. Which I'm clearly not, because my old videos are really cringe. Um my old videos are really cringe, and I'm gonna try to make my new ones less cringy, okay? Which yeah. Well guys. If you guys I tried recording Ice Cream Simulator, but it cut. And then I tried recording one now, but when it was like 12 minutes in, I accidentally clicked the X on Roblox, and it just immediately closed the recording. I do not know why. And now I'm just gonna be talking about yeah, myself. That's it. I don't know why. Or I'm gonna be showing you guys the games I play in Roblox, which while I'm talking about you guys, I'm talking to you guys. Which, guys, if you didn't wonder why, or if you guys don't know, I do not upload every single video. It's cause I'm not a pro YouTuber. Which I upload like randomly, like sometimes it's 3 days, and then sometimes it's 1 day, sometimes it's 2 days, and yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, guys, if you guys didn't know what happened, if you guys didn't hear it, cause I actually closed my microphone, my mom walked in, and guess what happened? Yeah, she literally tried. Oh my gosh. She, okay, my mom walked in, so yeah, that's why I muted myself, and that's yeah. I just waited for her to yeah be done what she's doing. So if you guys don't wonder why I'm not recording every single day, it's cause like I'm not a pro YouTuber. It's sometimes 3 days, 2 days, or 1 day. I already said that one time. But I'm just gonna tell you guys the games where you can find me in. First, Lighthouse Tumbles, Ice Cream Simulator, Gym League, Lighthouse Tumble, Motorcycle Mayhem. A bunch of the games I play. And also, all of the. Okay. Okay, you can find me in like Dragon Adventures, Obby Creator, Marvelous, Untitled Gym Game, Slide House Tumble, Gym League, Ice Cream Simulator, um, Toilet Tower Defense, which if you guys see me in Toilet Tower Defense, you guys are really lucky because I almost never play it anymore. And also Murder Mystery. And also Motorcycle Mayhem, it's pretty fun. Well, I don't play Obby Creator that much anymore, but I still pretty much like it. My personal favorite in all of these are all of my favorites, because all of them are favorites. So guys, Dragon Adventures, I'm just gonna show you my dragon. You guys are gonna be crushed by this one. I know I said I'm just gonna talk about myself in this video, but I'm just gonna show you guys all my dragons. That's why I like this game. So yeah, I'm not gonna try and flex, guys. Okay, chill. I'm just gonna show my dragons. Just gonna show them. I'm not trying to flex. I'm just showing them. Okay. Ito. Mystery egg. Volcano. My god. I do not have a bullet. The frick? Oh, there's a bug. The frick? Oh, never mind. That was a mosquito. Wait. Veno, Numine, Magnet. What the frick? Okay. Which, guys, I'm not trying to flex. First is my personal favorite. I use him all the time, Tundra. Which, guys, I already know Tundra's already a name from a freaking like a island in this game, but look how huge he is. Okay, Tundra's first, second. This is the second one I got. Oh gosh. Oh. Next is Purple Fog. He's pretty huge also. He's huger than my other dragons. For example, Sparkles. He's huger than Sparkles. Sparkles has a mutation, that's why he's gonna get bigger. And Stormcutter, which he's a Tigrilla. He's not rideable yet because he's still like, yeah. Well, yeah, you can only run with him though. Yeah, Tigrilla. He's rare in the jungle egg. So, okay. Well, okay, that's pretty much it. That's all my dragons. Now, guys, I'm gonna play the last game. I'm gonna play because only 2 games. Never mind. How about, let's go. Guys, if you don't know what I'm doing, I'm just sticking my lips together and then just opening them. That's all I'm doing. Cause I'm thinking, guys. I'm sorry. That's how I think. You can also see me in this game, which I don't really play that much if I'm bored. Marvelous. Oh gosh. That little gym game. Okay, I'm gonna. Oh my gosh, never mind. Okay, Motorcycle Mayhem. I'm gonna crack my neck. Because it says breakneck. Breakneck. You know what, guys? I'm gonna talk about myself while I play my favorite games. I just switched it up, guys. But don't worry, I'm not gonna clickbait you guys. I'm gonna put as the title this, okay? I'm just gonna put the title as I'm talking about myself while playing my favorite games. Which, yeah, that's not a scam. That's pretty much not a scam. That's very not a scam. And how? It's not. If you guys can't see me, well, yeah, it's not loading yet. Why do I have a bacon? Oh, there. Oh, yeah, I do have. I didn't notice that. Okay. Guys, this is what I look like, okay? This is what I look like. Egghead. Cool egg. Red hat. Headphones. This. If you guys find the same one as me, but like you think it's me, guys, if you wanna double check, you can check my name, see Chicken Nugget, or you can just go to my profile and check if it's made in 2023. Yeah, that's me. Because this account, yeah, I already talked about it in the roller coaster video, 20-minute challenge with Genius YT Adam. Okay, well, yeah. I already explained it there. So you guys probably have, you guys, I actually want you guys to check it out after this video. I don't know why I just got a mental block there. Okay, what is that in the distance? Is that a statue? I think. Yeah, I think that's a statue. Try going there. How do I go there? Oh, I wanna go there, but it's too far. I can't go there. If you guys didn't know, me and Lucio played this game. If we didn't make a video about it, but we did play this game. Why in this game it looks like my head is not even an egg anymore? Bye truck. Guys, if you don't know, in this game, if you crash, you lose. Yeah. And you just keep driving. This is how you play it. Oh my gosh, what if something? Breakneck. I'm gonna break my neck. I think some of my friends are recording. I think Adam's the only one that has a channel of all of them. Von and Lucio doesn't have a channel. Okay. Well, they're probably like busy playing a game or something. Wait, they're not playing a game. They're probably eating or something. I don't know. Pow! If you guys do not know, we're all kids. Yup. And yeah, do not get mad at us because we're kids making videos. I don't want to play this game that much. Don't play it that much though. Hobby Creator, I play like most of the time, but not all the time. All the time I play Gym League and like a title gym game when Lucio's here, but Gym League I play more. Well, I don't know why Lucio tricked me. So no, he did not trick me. Okay, just chill. Muscle Legend. I think I might fall on it. Okay, I'm kidding. Oh, we actually. Okay, never mind. Me, Lucio, Adam, not Von. He doesn't like this game. No. He doesn't. I don't know if he doesn't like this game. I don't think he played this game before. But me, Lucio, and Adam actually played this game. Ninja Sprint. Dare to succeed. Dare to succeed. And yeah, I really like this game. That's why I participated. I'm literally third place, I think. Wait, am I third place? Oh, yay, I'm next. Why is there three? Oh, there. Yo, I'm first. Oh my gosh, why is there a girl in there? The hell? Oh, there's a boy now. Okay, this game is not boring. Oh my gosh, this one's kinda hot. Oh my gosh, bro! Jump from pad. What? Jump from one pad to the other. Shift lock recommended. What? 0 wins. Yes, nice. If you guys didn't hear me, I clapped. And yeah, 0 wins. Wow. I'm not making fun of her or something. That should say like, stop. 90 wins. You should have 90 wins. I mean 60. And then replace that 0 with a 9. 69. You should have 69 wins. Ha ha ha! 69. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. You guys probably know what happened again. My mom walked in my room. Ugh. Oh my gosh, all of us. Okay, I'm not even talking about myself. I need to talk. A rice just fell on me. Whose rice is this? I don't know. I'm gonna go AFK, guys. Peace out for now. Guys, bye guys. This is it for now cause I'm not I'm really bored right now, so bye guys. Peace out, broskies. Wait, that's the mute button.